I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Maps and signing into the account that stores your timeline. Once done, tap your profile icon and choose your timeline. This shows entries and the active location history. Make sure the displayed account is correct, because actions affect that account. You want to see recent places to confirm data removal targets. If you're on a computer, go to Maps. Google, Com, and click the same profile menu to reach Timeline. Next, open Settings and Privacy from Timeline, then tap Location History Controls. This takes you to the Google Account Settings page. Toggle Location History to pause. This stops future recording across devices for that account. If you only need to stop one device, choose the device list and pause it individually. Pausing preserves existing records until you delete them, so this step prevents new entries while you clean up old data. Finally, delete the stored history. In Location History Controls, pick Delete Location History, choose a date range or all time, and confirm. After deletion, verify by reloading Timeline. Entries should be gone. Make sure device location settings and Google Maps permission are adjusted if you want ongoing privacy. Turn off location or revoke app permission. If the timeline still shows data, sign out, restart the app or browser, then sign in again. This forces a sync and resolves most display delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.